Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit here on YouTube. And in today's video, I will be doing live lip swatches of the MeltCosmetics Unconventional Nudes lipsticks, and also one extra lipstick that I will also be reviewing and also swatching for you here. And if you do like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe and also like this video, and I'll see you in the next. So the first shade that I am swatching here is the shade Voyeur. Now this is a very light nude shade, and I would definitely pair this with a brown lip liner because this is a very light shade and it is very close to my skin tone. The next shade that I am swatching is the shade Mural, and I do like this shade. I think I can pull this off without a brown lip liner. This next shade is called 1969. I do like this shade, and I actually love all the shades here in this collection, and I do love the formula of all of the lipstick as well, and they all smell amazing. Now this next shade is definitely a showstopper. This is something I wouldn't typically wear, and I was actually surprised that I did like how it looked on me. This is in the shade Tomboy, and I will be using this color in the future. And last but certainly not least, this is the shade Bane. And this shade did not come with the Unconventional Noods collection. This was just a separate purchase that I just threw in my bag. And I'm really loving this black lipstick. It looks really nice on me. It was a little dry with applying, but the color payoff is awesome.